Good day, everyone. Okay, this is how you can create an unordered list in HTML. So, how can we create an unordered list? And what is an ordered list? So, an ordered list is a list of items where the sequence of the list is not significant. So, what do you mean by not a sequence of the list is not significant? So it means that if you have, let's say, if you have a list of students, let's say you have students Tanapum, Nicha, Chumpu, August, Nirachaya. So whatever or whoever is first in the list, or whoever is second, whoever is third, it doesn't matter. That is why an ordered list. It doesn't matter who is first, who is second, and who is the last. That is what they call an ordered list. Now this is how you can create an unordered list in HTML. Use So we need to use the UL tag. UL means U means unordered and L is list. A UL tag supports only one attribute that is given below and an attribute of type. And there are some values here. You can see a type of this, a type of circle, and a type of square. So this is this. What do you mean by this? DISC. So it's like a picture of a DVD disc. So when you open your website, you can see a list having a picture of a disc. That is why type is equal to this. Another type is circle. So this is a list which having a type is equal to circle. It's like a round circle, as you can see here. This is of type circle. Another type is square. So this list is of type square. It's like a picture of a square for each in the list. So if you omit the type, if you don't put any type, you just use the UL tag, as you can see from the example, the UL tag and followed the list. So it will be a bullet type of list. It's like a bullet type. This is the default type if you don't write any type in the UL tag. A bullet type will be created. A bullet type of list. Now let's do this in a real website. Okay, let's go to your file explorer. Let's say you want to create a simple unordered list. Okay, go to your my documents, and then here on the space provided here, you can click your right click and then new and then text document. Then after that, right click and then open with notepad. So always remember the notepad is our text editor. So this is the default text editor in Windows. There are some other types of text editor, but we will not use this. Instead, we will use Notepad, because in Notepad it is easy to use the settings. Okay, you choose to open this document with Notepad. Okay, you just click this, and then if you want to see your text more readable, more bigger than the one, so you can go to format and then change the type, the size of the font. So I will make it 18. I think it's enough. And then you can start doing your HTML document. So what is the start? HTML tag. Then after that, you need to close the HTML tag, the bracket, and then this one, the backspace, and then HTML. So you can put it down because remember HTML tag is the start and the end of any HTML document. Okay, again, after the HTML tag, the head, because here we need to put the title of our website. Okay, we need to close the head here. Then inside of the head, now we will put the title tag. What title do you want? Okay, let's say my school. Okay, some cook school. Student information system. It's like that. And then you close the title tag. You need to close the title tag here. Now that we are finished making a title of our website, okay, let's go to the body of our website. So then we need to make the body tag. Here inside the body, we will put all of our HTML document, all of our important documents. Okay, we need to close the body, and inside of the body, inside of it, we will do the unordered list. But before that, we will make a heading. Let's say I want a heading 3. Okay, I want to name this my student list. Then close the H3 tag. We need to close this. Remember, a heading tag, it should be closed. And then we can start doing our UL tag. The UL tag, which means unordered list. So if you want to have a type, so UL, and then followed by the attribute type equal, and then the name of the type. Let's say you want a type of this. So you can now close the biangle bracket. And then now you can start making a list. So LI. Angle bracket, LI, and then close. And then you can now write the name of the list of your student. Let's say number 1 is Nietzsche. Number 2 is LI again, Chumpu. And number 3 is Pum. And number 4 is, what are the others? Prek. So if you are finished doing your unordered list, okay, always remember an LI tag, you do not need to close this. Okay? But we need to close the UL tag. So we need to close the UL tag, angle bracket, UL, slash, and then the UL tag so that we can close the UL tag. Again, open, close. Open, close. Now that we are already closed, so we will check, or we need to save this. Okay, save as. We need to save this and then make this as an HTML document. So now we will go to file name. So what file name do you want to name it? Okay, let's say student name. But we have already, so we will choose another name. Some cook, or you can say M2-1 dash technology dash list. And then in the save as type, choose all files. And then here, .html. So to make this an HTML document, don't forget, after you name it, then you need to follow it by .html. Okay, again, let's make how can we save this? I will repeat. Go to file, save as, and then put the name that you want. Let's say some cook student, and then that again after you name it .html, and then in the save as type, choose all files, which means you want to do this file as an HTML document. And then once you save this, then you go to your documents. So you can see here now the some cook student. So this is the file that we created, some cook student.html. So once you open it, so you can see this is a simple example of an ordered list in HTML. You have the title here, some Cook School Student Information System, and then the unordered list is already created with the heading of 3, and you have an ordered list here with the type of this. This is how you can create an ordered list in HTML. Thank you, and stay tuned to our next lesson about ordered lists.